Did you know a queen once turned her own servant into a throne to win a negotiation? In 1622, Nzinga of Ndongo arrived to meet the Portuguese governor in what is now Angola. It was supposed to be a peace talk, but when she walked in, there was no chair for her, just one for him. A deliberate insult meant to put her below him before she even spoke. She didn't flinch. She ordered one of her attendants to kneel on the floor, then sat on their back for the entire meeting. Equal footing restored. That moment tells you everything about how she operated for 60 years. She allied with Portugal when it helped her. She allied with their enemies when it didn't. She converted to Catholicism as a political tool, then abandoned it the same way. Every weapon her opponents used, she studied, flipped, and handed back to them. The Portuguese tried war. They tried treaties. They tried isolation. She outlasted every single strategy. At 82 years old, she was still commanding her army in the field. They never found a move she couldn't answer.